Let's make an Americana-inspired star riser. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy if you didn't know, and if you did, thank you so much for coming back. All right, so I started with this. I got this at Dollar General for like 90% off. Never would I use it, so I figured let's repurpose it. I also have some stars from Dollar Tree that I got from Christmas time, and we're going to use some red chalk paint. I got this at Walmart. It's Waverly brand, and I'm just using a sponge. It's a dampened sponge, and I'm doing both of them, both sides and on the edges. Then I take that same sponge and I use some of my Waverly wax, the antiquing wax, and I'm just rubbing it over the top because I want it to not be super red. See the difference? Yeah. All right, so while those dry, and I did that wax on both sides, then all I'm doing is cutting off the darker blue and white tasseled, what do you call them? Wood beads. And I'm just going to glue them. So I pull it off of the jute, and I'm just gluing on each piece all the way around. So I go blue, white, all the way around. And there we go. Ta-da! Perfect. Then I'm going to take some larger wood beads. These are like, I don't know, maybe an inch wood bead. And I'm going to glue them on the bottom. I used 5 of them, and I'm gluing them on the bottom of that one that we glued all of the little ones on. Then I'm going to go around and I'm going to glue. I'm using hot glue. If you want to use a different glue, absolutely go for it. But I'm just putting a nice chunky layer of glue all around on top of those beads. And then we're going to take the other star that we did and put that right on top. And if you do a chunky enough layer of glue, you can still move it before it sets. Ta-da! All right, so then I decided, okay, listen, I know many of you are going to be like, you've gone too far. It's okay. It's just a Dollar Tree thing. It's not a big deal. But I did use my brown wax, the same sponge that I used earlier, and I went around and I distressed everything. I don't know. I just felt like it needed it. But if that's not your thing and you don't like the way that looks, don't do it. You could also use like a white chalk paint with a dry brush method and go around. Whew, that would look super pretty too. But I digress. I did it this way. Ta-da! All right, and then I decided to glue some of the blue beads on the top just to, I don't know, make it look pretty. Then my sister gave me this ribbon. It's so pretty. And all I did was cut the part of the ribbon that says, what did it say? Love is great, something like that. And I glued that just a little piece on, and I glued one of the wood beads on top of that. And I know, it's super simple, and yes, I distressed it further with some ink, and this is just a blending brush I got from Dollar Tree, but I love the simplicity of this. It's like, I feel like it could be put out for decor all year because it's very Americana, but on the other hand, we do have some patriotic holidays that it would go great for, right? But anyways, look at how fun. I did sand it a little bit, but look at how cute this is, right? I don't know what I'd put on it, but I like the way it looks just like that. Anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.